Okay, so today we will be working on step 4 of the forward focus and go. And that is when you start to take away the pre-placed reward and go to throwing your reward. So remember, when we are throwing our reward, we want it to be on the line that the dog is taking, and it wants it to seem like it's just falling out of the sky. It has nothing to do with you. This is where toys are much more helpful because it's easier to throw. If you are using food, you do need, at this point for sure, to have either a lotus ball or some sort of, there's a lot of them, a lot of toys that you can put food in that you're able to throw. Again, it'll be the immediate thing. Even if they need help opening the treats at this point, that's okay, because the reward will fall out of the sky to them. And so we're going to do some, again, you should not be doing this stage 4 until you've worked through stages 1, 2, and 3 with whatever reward you're using, or both, if you've taken the time to do that, which is a good thing, because this will really test on how much they actually understand the word go. All right, so I'm going to show you what I would do with a dog that was just starting on this. So what I did with my guys when they were just starting, obviously they know this now, but instead of starting all the way back at the beginning of the jumps, I would back chain it so it's easier for me to throw and they are understanding. So you're going to see me back chaining and then doing the whole thing. Okay, so here we go. Go. Good. Good. Oh boy. Go. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Oh, okay. Go. Good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Go. Good. Go. Good. Go. 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 Good job. Good job. Go. Good. Go. Good. Okay, so there you see some scenarios working both sides, different pictures. If you don't have a send around a cone yet, or where you can send and take off, then I suggest before you do a lot of this drill, stage 4, I would take the time to teach them that, because you don't want to do a lot of this from a stay, because the only place your dog is ever in a stay on course is the start line. So they really need to learn how to do this with your body in different positions and different pictures and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you one. So before I would ever try to put it in a sequence, I would just do tons and tons of that. Different 3 jumps, 2 jumps, 1 jump, changing it up, different sides, different kinds of crosses. just play with it a lot. So I'm going to show you an actual sequence using the go line into a jump that I have right here, which I don't think you can see yet. I'm going to have to change the angle to the dog walk and out, just so you can kind of see the difference. You will notice that the way that my yard is and the space that I have, this jump that's right here that you can't see is not in a straight line with the go line. So I'm going to use my go and then my out. And again, if your dog doesn't know what out means, this isn't something you want to try yet. Again, there will be another video, go watch that, for how to teach your dog what out means, okay? But because of the way the line is set up and because I want him to have a safe entry into the dog walk, I'm going to use it to set a good line for him. There is a huge possibility with his momentum, because he's got such a big stride, he won't need it. A go will probably get him out over this jump. Smaller dogs, less forward focused dogs, dogs with where the handler is even farther behind would probably need an out here. So we'll go from there. All right, so I'm going to change the camera angle. Go. Out. Lock it. Get in. Good. Very good. Switch. Out. Good. Lock it. Get it. Get it. Very good. Okay. So there you see kind of a sequence using the go. I ran it on both sides. One, like I mentioned before, I used my out for this line. So it was go out. He struggled a little bit with me being on the other side where this purple jump right here ended up being a switch, which for him, he knows switch should mean take the jump and turn away from me, but he didn't see it. He wanted to turn, so I needed an out. So that is a hole in my training, and every time you do these you will find those, so that'll be something that we will work on ourselves, so that he understands, and from my handling to set the line a little bit more for him to come out so he would find it. So that would probably be if you were in the first seminar, where I would use the tandem turn, their new cue that they don't know very well yet. So anyway, so there it is. Have fun training. Remember to don't be doing this stage until they are driving forward very well to the pre-placed toy, and then just play with it. All right, thanks.